How to turn on profile views on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple. All what you need to do is go ahead and open up TikTok and log into your account. Once you do that, you want to click on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. It will take you to this profile page, from which you want to click on the eye icon at the top right of the screen next to those three lines. It will open up this profile views page, from which you can turn on your profile view history. As you can see, TikTok here tells you that other people can see that you viewed their profiles in the past 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile. Only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown, and you can turn this off at any time. So what you need to do here is you need to click on the red button at the bottom that says turn on in order to enable it, and it's on right now. As you can see, it says profile view history will appear here, and only you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days, and you will only be able to see the people who turned on profile view history on their account. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can see and turn on the profile views on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.